Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need iCloud Plus and a Home Hub on the same Apple ID. Once confirmed, plug in and power your HomePod/Apple TV/iPad and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Open the Home app, tap Plus, choose Add Accessory, and scan or enter the camera setup code. Once the camera appears, assign it to a room and enable secure video when prompted. Make sure the camera firmware updates. This step registers the device with HomeKit and authorizes private, encrypted uploads to iCloud for analysis. Once the camera is added, tap its settings and choose recording options. Pick when I'm away or always based on privacy and battery. Make sure you understand storage impact. Enable person, animal, and vehicle detection so processing occurs privately in iCloud rather than on the camera, improving accuracy. Create activity zones to reduce false clips. Once done, set notification preferences for each person or family member and control who can view live view or history to keep access limited and now run a full test. Walk through the activity zone, view live view, and confirm clips appear in Home app history. Export needed footage directly from the clip or share with authorized users. Manage iCloud storage so retention settings work as expected. Keep your hub and camera firmware current for reliability. If recordings stop, first confirm the Home Hub is online, the camera has strong Wi-Fi, and your iCloud Plus quota isn't full. That single checklist item resolves most secure video failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.